Hi guys, it's Christopher with Funtown RV. Right now we are in our campgrounds in Cleburne, Texas, right beside our superstore. We're going to be doing a walkthrough on the 261BHXL. Let's take a look. So right here we're going to have our power stabilizing jacks. So there are two controls for this one. There's one here and one in the rear. This is a great upgrade that this camper's offering. And then right here we're going to have our pass-through storage. But I want you to notice one thing right here. We have our dry erase surface. So whether it's your checklist for your camping trip on things you need to pack, or maybe if it's just a cute note for the kids, it's one of those great features to have. Now our pass-through storage is gonna have this basket right here. This is a dirty clothes basket. It's right next to your bed, and then huge pass-through storage, lots of room here. Right here is gonna be the rear control for our stabilizing jacks. And then right next to that is gonna be our controls for our plug-in for our TV and cable. And our outside speakers up top are gonna be waterproof, and of course they're gonna be under our 12-volt Solaire awning. As we get to the backside here, there's a few things I wanna point out for you. We have our spare tire, of course, that's mounted to our bumper. We have our wiring pre-wired for our Furrion rear camera. So you would get with your Camptown representative or your sales rep, and they would be able to pair you with the right Furrion camera that best suits your needs. And then of course, last but not least on this backside, we have our black tank flush. That is a huge upgrade that you're gonna see on this Salem. All right guys, now that we took a look at the outside of the 261BHXL, make sure you like, follow, and share, and let's go take a look inside. All right, we're inside the 261BHXL. We're gonna have a couple huge features here. Our sofa sets 3, also turns into a bed. Our dinette here actually folds down and makes into a bed as well. But there's more to sleeping, guys, don't worry. We have our double bunks right here, storage underneath, and then in my bunk beds, you're actually gonna have USB ports. Right behind me, we're gonna be in our kitchen with our fridge and freezer. Plenty of space there. They actually still were able to get you the oven and stove in this one, and then having your microwave, and then plenty of storage across the top right here. All right, guys, in this bathroom, we're gonna have our porcelain toilet, skylight in the shower, plenty of space, getting you all those amenities from home on the go. All right, guys, we're in the bedroom now with plenty of room in here, plenty of storage, access to the storage on the sides. We have storage underneath that is on an air shock system, so I don't have to sit there and hold it while I try to get in the storage. We have the storage bins that do come with the camper, but also, guys, I mentioned outside, that clothes hamper, you're able to access right there. Guys, thank you for joining us as we took a look at the 261BHXL. Remember to like, follow, and share, and the fun starts here.